Hello little friends, today we are learn A to Z and color name. So let's start. Black color, white color, grey color, peach pink color, pink color, dark green color, purple color, brown color, light green color, yellow color, sky blue color, orange color, blue color, red color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Dark green color. A. A for alligator. A for alligator. Light green color. B. B for bus. B for bus. Red color. C. C for cup. C for cup. Yellow color. D. D for door. D for door. Orange color. E. E for eye. E for eye. Pink color. F. F for fire truck. F for fire truck. Sky blue color. G. G for green. G for green. Peach pink color. H. H for horse. H for horse. Dark green color. I. I for ink. I for ink. Light green color. J. J for jug. J for jug. Red color. K. K for kite. K for kite. Yellow color. L. L for lemon. L for lemon. Orange color. M. M for milk. M for milk. Pink color. N. N for nest. N for nest. Sky blue color O. O for octopus. O for octopus. Peace pink color P. P for pumpkin. P for pumpkin. Dark green color Q. Q for questions. Q for questions. Light green color R. R for rain. R for rain. Red color S. S for squirrel. S for squirrel. Yellow color T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Orange color U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Pink color V. V for volcano. V for volcano. Sky blue color W. W for wallet. W for wallet. Peace pink color X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Dark green color Y. Y for yam. Y for yam. Light green color Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.